Crystal Lake, Streamwood, Hanover. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pleasant Prairie to Bannockburn to Itasca, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. At 6:22 p.m., quarter-sized hail was reported by a trained spotter in Roselle. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, O'Hare Airport, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Addison, Glendale Heights, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village in North Chicago. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 66 and 81. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 41. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 41. This includes Oakland Community College, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harper College, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, Northwestern University, Ravinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms.